In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips that make it easier to create healthy habits. Hi, I'm Bill, owner of BeyondFitnessOnline.com, and today I want to talk to you about how to make healthy habits easier to stick to. Now, if you haven't already or you're new to the channel, please subscribe below so you get all my updates every week. So here's the deal. When we're trying to make a change in our life where we want to get healthier, we generally think, okay, I need to improve my nutrition and I need to figure out a way to get consistent exercise. And there's a lot of things that can get in the way of that and interrupt our lives. So what I want to do today is give you some tips that can actually make it easier to continue to get the exercise or continue to eat healthy and not fall off the wagon. Let's start with nutrition. Now with nutrition, there's a lot of things that go into having a good nutritional plan. And really what it comes down to is we want to make sure that we're prioritizing a balancing of the hormones. So this means that you need to eat consistently throughout the day. You need to avoid eating the processed foods and the high sugar foods. And all of those things sound simple, but it's hard to break those old habits. So here's a couple of tips. We know that certain foods are really good for us, like fruits and vegetables. That's pretty much universal for everybody. So if that's the case, a good tip is to have a bowl of fruit sitting out there on your counter, or keep the fruits and vegetables in plain sight so that you're constantly reminded that that's what you're trying to eat. You're more likely to reach for something that's more convenient than you are to go searching for something that's not. So keep the healthy foods out in plain sight where you can see them. If shopping is a big deal for you and you have a hard time not buying the processed foods or picking out the good healthy foods, then what you can do is you can go online and sign up for any of these services that will actually deliver the fruits and vegetables to your door. Now, these can be really helpful because then you don't have to try and plan to go to the store and have them when they're fresh. You can actually have them delivered, and it's so much easier because they'll always be available. If one of your problems is having the time to actually create a healthy meal, then you can actually take some of those fruits and vegetables and stick them in your freezer. Then what happens is if you need to have a quick meal, you can make yourself a smoothie. It only takes about a minute or two to make a smoothie, and you can take the fresh fruits and vegetables that you have frozen and put them in that smoothie to give it a nice fresh taste and keep it nice and cold. If you need some smoothie recipes, I'm going to leave a link below to 7 smoothie recipes that I have on my website, and you can sign up for that and it'll send it right over. If you do want to learn how to cook healthy meals, then signing up for a cooking class may be very beneficial for you. You can learn how to make food, and you can even teach other people in your family or your friends, and you guys can compare notes and start to really create healthy habits if you find types of cooking that you really enjoy. Beyond that, you can create a routine for yourself. This routine could be based around your exercise so that you time your exercise, or you have a routine with when you work out or what you do when you work out. You can also do this with your nutrition. You can plan your meals, or you can try to eat at certain times. You can plan ahead for your meals. But creating a routine can make it so much easier to stick to this new healthy habit. Part of this routine could be joining a gym, hiring a trainer, or having a trainer even come to your home. Now, that's something that I've been doing with some clients lately, and it has been hugely beneficial for them. To be able to have me show up when it's time to work out, they don't have to travel anywhere. They can jump in the other room, get changed, come out and work out. And when they're done, they can jump right back into the rest of their day. So that can also be beneficial. If you do go to a gym and you want to continue that habit, then it's really beneficial to keep your workout clothes in your car or near your front door so that they're always available when you're ready to go to the gym. You can also contact some friends or family members and see if they want to set up a workout group. Now, there's a lot of studies out there that show us that accountability is huge for staying on track with your exercise. So if you have other people that are counting on you to exercise with them, you are less likely to decide not to work out that day, and so are they. So create a workout group that you can get together with and just stay active that way. I hope that some of these tips have really resonated with you. Let me know in the comments below what works for you, what doesn't, if you have any additional tips that I missed here. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, live healthy.